In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep leading zeros in Google Sheets. This can be particularly useful when you're dealing with numbers like zip codes or phone numbers where those zeros matter but tend to disappear in standard numeric formats. Let's dive right into it. First, start by opening the Google Sheets document where you need to keep leading zeros. If you haven't already, create or access the specific spreadsheet you want to work on. Once your Google Sheet is open, focus on the range of cells where you want to preserve those zeros. Let's begin by highlighting cells A2 to A4. Click and drag over these cells to select them. This will keep those zeros intact once we apply the special formatting. Now, go to the menu at the top and click on Format. This will drop down a menu with various formatting options. Within this drop-down, you'll see the option labeled Number. Hover over it and you'll find another set of options. From there, select Custom Number Format. This is a powerful tool that allows you to decide exactly how numbers are displayed in your sheet. In the Custom Number Format field that appears, type 0000. This sequence of zeros will maintain the visual structure of the numbers in your selected cells by forcing the display to 7 digits. After entering the sequence, go ahead and click Apply. If you have another column with different requirements, like columns B2 to B4, which might need only 5 digits, select those cells next. Again, click Format, select Number, and choose Custom Number Format. In the search field, you can type 0000 this time. By entering a string of 5 zeros, you'll ensure 5-digit numbers retain their leading zeros. Click Apply when you're done. Now let's look at an alternative method if your formatting needs are simple. Click cell C3 and simply type an apostrophe followed by your number with zeros, like 00. Once you hit Enter, Google Sheets understands that this isn't a normal number you're typing, instead treating it as text, and thus maintains the leading zeros. Repeat this for additional cells such as C4, where you would type an apostrophe followed by 0,000, ensuring this format is consistent across your document. For another method in a different column, say cells D2 to D4, the approach is similar to before. Highlight those cells, click Format, select Number, and opt for Custom Number Format. In the field, input 0000 to fit your specific needs, then click Apply. And there you have it. With these steps, you can keep leading zeros in your Google Sheets, ensuring your data remains accurate and formatted to your specifications. Play around with these steps, and soon you'll have perfect control over how your numerical data is displayed. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.